Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to cut video perfectly in screencastomatic. First, move the timeline slider to your required position. Next, click the magnifier icon. Now you can see the timeline scale zoomed a little bit. Additional to this, now you can see volume-like icon, which helps to zoom timeline scale more. And it can zoom further up to 3 levels. Now you can cut the video in your required position perfectly. Next, I am zooming out magnifier to return to normal position. Next, click Tools and choose Cut. Now the timeline scale appears in red color. Now move the timeline scale which you want to cut. You can see the cut region shows in red color. Finally, click OK. Now the selected red region will be removed. This is the best method to cut video perfectly in screencastomatic.